Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to turn this keycap into a UFO. So like and subscribe and write me in comments what keycap I should do next, and let's go for it.
Telling myself it's the last time. Can you spare any mercy that you might find? If I'm down
So now I'm done, it is my final product. Let's pop it back, and that's going to be all for this video. Like and subscribe, and that's all. See you in next video.